Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can interact with your Postgres database using Gemini CLI. First thing first, you need to install Gemini CLI and the Postgres extension. I've already got mine installed, but I'll leave the full setup instructions in the description below. Next, export your Postgres details as environment variables in your terminal, and that's how Gemini knows how to connect to your database. Once that's done, you can start Gemini by typing Gemini command on your terminal. Okay, let's try this out. First, let's check if the Postgres extension is installed using the /extension list command. Then, we can also check the available MCP tools with the /mcp list command. And we can also get a quick description of each one of the tools using the /mcp command. Now let's interact with our database. First, I will ask Gemini to list all the existing tables in my database. And next, I will ask the total number of customers and sellers. And lastly, I will ask Gemini to give me 10 cities with the most number of customers and sellers. And there you go. That's how you can use Gemini CLI to interact with your Postgres database.